There's some breaking news that is coming in at this point. The Maharashtra government is going to be bringing in strict laws against love jihad and forced conversion. The Fadnavis government has constituted a committee of 7 members for this purpose, and essentially they're prepared to make these strict laws specifically against love jihad and forced conversion. Now, the 7-member committee is going to be led by the Maharashtra State Director General of Police, otherwise known as the DGP. This committee will be preparing a report after discussing all of the legal and technical aspects regarding both love jihad and forced conversion, and then they will submit this report to the government.
महाराष्ट्र शासन लव जिहाद के खिलाफ जो कानून बना रही है उसका स्वागत होना चाहिए। श्रद्धा वालकर जैसे बहुत सारे केसेस हुए थे और ऐसा कानून लेके आना बहुत ज़रूरी था। इसके पहले भी सरकार ने मंगल प्रभात लोढ़ा जी के अध्यक्षता में एक कमेटी बिठाई थी और ये कमेटी में हज़ारों ऐसे कंप्लेन आए थे। जो लव जिहाद के मामले है इस पर काबू लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है और ऐसे कानून का हम स्वागत करते हैं।
Crossing back over to my colleague Rucha, who's tracking the developments with this as well. Rucha, love jihad bringing in a strict law. This is not the first time we've heard about this happening in the state of Maharashtra, but now we're seeing some progress here where a 7-member committee has been formed. It's been led by the DGP. Is there a timeline that's been given for the committee to submit a report to the government?
The government resolutions is not mentioned that there is any timeline for this committee to submit the report. They can submit the report any time, but it is important to understand a law before implementing it, before introducing it, and to do so, the committee has been formed. This panel includes multiple departments' involvement in this: women department, the minority department, as well as this team. This committee will be led by DGP of Maharashtra, Rashmi Shukla, and they will be reviewing the cases, the current laws that are implemented in other states related to love jihad. And many leaders from the Mahayuti government had already mentioned this, that they want this law to be brought in Maharashtra. Especially Minister Mangal Prabhat Lodha has spoken about the law many times. Devendra Fadnavis, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, had also mentioned that they are studying the law, and as of now, what we understand, the team of 7 senior officials is now formed. They will be trying to understand the laws that are implemented in other states regarding love jihad. And this comes after the ministers of Maharashtra had reported that there are about 1 lakh cases regarding love jihad where girls are forced to change their religion. They are forcefully told to convert with other religions, and they are forcefully married in other religions. And this has got attention of the government now, and now the law is being introduced very soon. Before that, the committee will be sharing report what the findings of the other states' law is about love jihad.
Okay.
Back to you.
All right, Rucha, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us more details on this. We'll continue to track the developments here. But Rucha, I request that you stay with us as you are tracking out the developments.